This is a disaster.
Do I really look like that? Come on!
I would say he's making me a latte, not a fish finger sandwich.
The fighting talk continues. This is it, folks. After 2 red-hot heats, we've finally reached the ultimate showdown where the best of the best will battle it out. Welcome to the grand finale of the Really Good Pizza Game Show. Let's meet our finalists. Team Captain Star is heading up this team of passionate pizzaiolas. She's joined by her partner Kira, a barber from Manchester. Are you ready to take a bite at the competition?
Oh yeah, I'm taking the whole pizza, let alone a bite.
Oh,
it's happening.
It's such fighting talk. On that note, Team Pepperoni, good to have you back. On Team Margarita, it's Maria and her pizza powerhouse posse, Milo and Nawaz. Team Margarita, how do you feel about that?
We're nervous, big time. What we lack in confidence, though, we do make up for in numbers, so...
Yes,
we've got that
okay.
on our side.
Team Margarita, it's lovely to have you back. So, I was chatting to my foodie mate the other day, and he told me about this new pizza place that I need to check out. I made a reservation, but I couldn't find it because it's really, really small. At the really small Goodfella restaurant. In this game, one player from each team will step or reach into our miniature kitchen armed with some teeny tiny equipment and even smaller ingredients to create a delicious pizza for one very hungry guest, me. You have 60 seconds to prepare your pizza and get it in the oven. I'll be judging the pizza on both appearance and taste. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Good. All right, Team Margarita, you are up first. Who's going to be chefing?
Me.
60 seconds, Maria.
Yeah.
You ready?
Not really.
Time?
Starts
Now.
Okay, so I'm obviously going to put
Don't
some
forget the
of
mushrooms for me.
this down, right with my dough. Oh, it's actually stuck there. Is that the rolling pin?
That's the rolling pin. Are you going to use all the dough?
Tiny.
Should I not?
It's quite a big pizza, but you
I
are the
should.
chef.
Well, now you've actually thrown me off, actually, because I
Okay.
feel like the original piece of dough would have been fine.
You don't want to go too thick though. It's never going to.
Okay, that's good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is
Yeah,
fine.
happy with
this
that?
is fine.
Let's
yeah,
add
this
some
is fine.
toppings on there.
Well, where are we at with the time?
30
30 seconds.
You've got half your time left.
Okay.
There we go. That's an improvement.
That's good.
That's
I'm gonna
something.
work on the crust later.
Yes, chef.
Okay, I would say this is a disaster. Boys, what do we want? Do we want meat on there?
Let's go for some meat, please.
Yeah.
Mushroom.
I quite like a
Mushroom.
colourful
Pepperoni,
pizza as
ideally.
well.
You like a
Maria.
colourful pizza? Good to know.
Bit of onions
Not
on
too
there.
many things.
Bit of oregano.
10 seconds left.
Okay, I want to get some of this around the edge of the crust.
Oh, that's
Okay.
a good touch.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from the kitchen.
Yeah.
Are you happy with what you've made?
I think you threw me off.
What did I say?
You said that the dough was too big.
Okay, all right.
I think that was sabotage.
Do you reckon?
I think you've been paid off by Pepperoni over here.
Hey, now, I quite like a thin base. What can I say? Get back over here. Woo! While that's cooking, let's get another one prepared. Team Pepperoni. Who's going to be taking it on?
Me.
You, Star.
Yes.
Get over
I'm
here.
here.
Star, welcome into the kitchen.
Hello, I'm excited. I'm very excited.
And you've seen how Margarita has done it.
Yes.
What are your tips from there?
Do it better than they did.
The fighting talk
I'm definitely going straight for the dough and cutting that half immediately.
Yep. Let's jump in. 60 seconds on the clock. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Okay, right, speed. Let's get some flour
Flour
down.
down, flour
Yes.
down, straight away.
Okay, dough. Let's put that bad boy there. Let's cut that in.
Half, yeah, lovely
Okay, I've
stuff.
already got that. Ooh.
I quite like a thin crust, so this
Thin
is off to a good
crust.
start as well.
Get it. Rolling pin out already.
Are we going to go for a little spin on the finger?
Oh,
Oh, yeah. That
Oh yeah, no tricks.
oh, it's not round. Okay.
went too
Shape isn't everything.
do
Okay.
some
I think we're
flair.
going for a spin on the finger.
It's harder than it looks.
It is way harder than it looks.
I've
Okay.
never made a crust.
There's a tomato
And it's
base.
square.
Cheese. There was no cheese on the last one, so get some cheese on
Get
there.
some cheese down. It's a bit
And
of a
then-
square pizza at the moment, but that's fine.
Square. Look, I've
Not
got a plan.
judging
I've got a
roundness.
plan. So your name is Niall, so I'm gonna do an N
Oh, that's not
for
fair.
design.
That's bribery.
Oh, this, wait, hold on, wait.
20 seconds left,
No,
Star.
there isn't. You're lying to me. That doesn't look like an N. Okay, right. I've lost it.
Okay, the
it's
end's
gone.
gone.
Okay,
It's the thought that
everything
counts
on.
sometimes. 10 seconds.
No, there isn't.
Cheers.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Have you got confidence in Star?
Yeah, she's a great chef.
Perfect. 1. Stop.
My whole plan went out the window.
I'm sure you smashed it. I'm not going to look, though. We're going to stick it in the oven, and then I'm going to have a little bit of a taste test. It took me a little while to find, but I finally made it to the very small Goodfella's restaurant. Let's eat some pizza. Wow, wow, wow. First impressions. this is a little bit of a mess. Let's tuck in, shall we? Ooh. Teeny tiny slice in the teeny tiny restaurant.
Flavour?
I'm getting a lot of something. A lot of spice. It's quite dry. I think I'm lacking cheese here. And let's go into this one. This one, admittedly, not as pretty. Bottoms up.
Look at that crispy
Definitely smoother on the tongue. Someone call the Michelin Guide. There's a new favourite spot in town. But not all pizzas are created equal. My favourite one is this one here, which means pepperoni. Yes! You are our winners. So go grab your slice. I think it's time we play our next game. It's time to play Pizza Casso. The pizza base is your canvas. The sauces and Goodfella toppings are your tools. They say beauty is in the eye of the pizza holder. But in this case, I'll be judging you on creativity, resemblance, and of course, whether it looks good enough to hang in my hallway. Or my toilet. I haven't quite decided on that yet. You have 5 minutes to work your magic, and I'll be judging your work after they've been cooked. Got it?
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Good. I'll sit here and strike a pose, and you do your thing. Let's get saucy.
Let's have a look.
They've given me some faulty stuff
Sabotage.
here.
So I reckon we do chicken as the base.
Do you want me to prepare something?
Could you please get me that black pepper there, please?
You look great, by the way. I used the palest thing we had.
I want to see compliments over here. I want to see you doing me justice.
I'm worried it looks like Donald Trump a little bit. Is that his mouth?
Yeah.
Let's even out the skin. This is coming together, I feel it.
It's all right, we're doing good.
I don't think this is right for the eyes.
Oh, we haven't got any eyes.
That is half time.
Ah! What do you mean? Okay, we've got no eyes or nose.
There's his nose.
Eyes are green. Basil.
We need the
1 minute left.
We need the
Okay, you do the hair then, and I will do
Leave it to the barber. He's got a slight stubble.
quickly. Yeah.
Slight stubble. Should see me next week.
One more here.
Oh no, oregano for the stubble maybe.
Wait, do we need more?
This I thought was pepper, so your stubble is now green.
10 seconds left.
Extra points for the neck beard.
2, 1. Put your tools down.
Background.
Tools down.
Now, I've seen some wild things on this show, but this right here, wow. Vincent Van Dough. Team Margarita, over to you. Can I reveal this face, please?
Let's be gentle with it. Yeah.
Okay, look at that. Love it, love it. I tell Milo, talk me through it.
So we went for a 3/4 profile because we think you've got such lovely, fine features. As you can see, we've got the nose right.
Did you say this is my neck?
This is the neck, and this is also the neck. It comes together.
Double chinning,
You've got not
if you
double.
will.
Yeah,
Oh,
well.
it's very conceptual, you know.
Yeah.
You kind of
Okay.
have to know it.
So how you
Thought
see
it was
it?
so lovely we did it
thought,
twice.
Easy does it. Oh, some greenery's falling off. I won't tilt it too high. Now. What's jumping out straight away is the stubble.
And the
Yeah,
topping.
there we go. It's a nice, like, shadow.
Yeah.
Thought it was nicely sculpted, so we tried to nicely sculpt it on here.
I think this is, I'm going to lie awake tonight just thinking, do I really look like that? Is
Yeah.
that how everyone sees me? So it's nice. Well, look, I've taken it both into account. I'm insulted by some of it and I love other parts of it. But the winner I can announce of this round is Team Margarita! So, Margarita, go get a slice, add it to the scoreboard. They're making a comeback. Well, after that round, the scores are 1 slice to Margarita, 1 slice to Pepperoni. So, the penultimate game, we thought we'd ordered a real-life Goodfellas ambassador, but upon closer inspection, it appears we've been delivered some extra toppings. In a moment, you'll see a lineup of Goodfellas ambassadors that starred as extras in the new Goodfellas TV advert, but only one is the real deal. The aim of the game is pretty simple. Identify the real ambassador. Will you be able to sniff out the genuine article? Or will you crumble under pressure like a burnt crust? Ooh. Nobody wants a burnt crust. Got it?
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Good. Bring in the lineup.
Very good.
Come on now. Wow.
Sorry.
What a lineup it is. Is it A, our fuzzy, cozy-looking fisherman? Is it B, a very good alien? Is it C, our pizza-loving gamer? Or is it D, our spiritual guru? Team Margarita, gonna head over to you first.
It's quite a tough one.
It's tricky.
I think if I was working as a fisherman all day, I'd work up an appetite though.
That's very true.
I'd put away a
pizza ovens on a
pizza.
boat.
I'm not so sure he's a fisherman though. Like, sorry, those aren't fisherman boots.
Hipster?
I would say he's making me a latte, not a fish finger sandwich.
Is the fisherman the one, or is he a red herring?
It's good.
Team Pepperoni, what are you thinking of
Hello.
here?
Well, I'm thinking Goodfellas is a family pizza. Guru.
Yeah?
Giving family, do you not think?
Giving dad vibes.
I mean, the
Dad
face
vibes.
says otherwise.
He's
but
he's angry at his family.
he looks very angry, but you know what? My mum and dad are most of the time angry at me. So,
Do you know what?
do you know what I
though?
mean?
Actually, thinking about your family vibe, I think the most family-looking one might be the younger person there.
I agree.
I'm going to give you
you put it out
now
there.
30 seconds. Is it A, fisherman? Is it B, alien?
Oh,
is
no.
it C, gamer? Or is it D?
Wait, hold on.
But then gamer.
Gonna need an answer.
Okay.
Get it down.
Oh, I get what you
Join the
mean.
lineup. All right, Team Pepperoni, let's start off with you. Who do you think is the real ambassador? Please reveal your answer.
We spell it, well, I say we. I spelled it wrong at first, but I put pizza-loving gamer girl because it said pizza and respect. That is a cool person to have in an advert, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I do know what
That
you
is
mean.
agreed.
So, that's what I'm going with, logic and reasoning.
Fantastic logic. Team Margarita, who are you going for?
For B, because we believe that it is a futuristic choice of the future.
Picture it, an alien comes down to Earth, yeah? And they say, show me to your leader.
Okay.
And you take them straight to a Goodfellas pizza.
All right, the answers are locked in. Can the real ambassador reveal themselves and step forward now? It is indeed, in fact, it is our gaming superstar Tenchi. And I hear you've got quite a few followers.
About a million.
About a million.
About a million.
A measly million. And of course, you are actually in the Goodfellas advert.
Yes, that's me.
I love it. Thanks so much for coming down today.
Thank you.
And let's give the winning team a big slice. Go on, put your pizza slice on the scoreboard.
Back, baby.
Very, very nice indeed. It's time for the final game, and as you know, at this point in the show, it's all to play for. For the coveted secret prize, let's play Good Questions, Great Answers. Well, here we are then. This one is a fingers and buzzers kind of round, except instead of buzzers, each team has a teeny tiny grater with a bell attached. Look at it, it's so cute. Let's hear your one. Beautifully done. Let's hear yours. Even better. Right, you ring the bell first and you get to answer the question. Get it right, you get a point. But if you get it wrong, we'll pass it over to the opponents who will get a chance to steal. And there is 2 ways to win. Either complete the pizza using the questions, or have the most slices on the board when the buzzer goes off. Got it?
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Good. Now, seeing as Team Pepperoni was at a little bit of a numerical disadvantage, having one less player, we've evened things up a little bit. So unfortunately, Team Margarita, you've had to say goodbye to one player.
It's okay. He's from his recent work with the pizza. He's been scouted. He's now an artist in residence at the Tate. So we're just happy for him.
We're just happy for him.
We're just happy.
We love to see it.
Yeah.
This is what this show is all about. Well, good luck to you. Good luck to you. Question number 1. Which fruits would you often find on a pizza in Sweden? Oh, Team Margarita.
Gonna go controversial, pineapple.
Not pineapple.
What?
That does mean it's over to you, Pepperoni.
What'd it be?
We're gonna go with fig.
It's not a fig either. It is a banana.
Oh, never.
Weird topping. Weird topping.
Yeah.
Question number 2. Which southern French city is known for being mad about pizza?
What's in the south of France?
I don't know geography.
As in when you know.
I've got C geography.
Marseille, go for Marseille.
All right, we've got a buzz.
We're gonna just guess, and I also don't know if it's in the south. I don't know if it is.
Let's go for it.
Say it.
I don't want to.
Let's go for it.
No.
Marseille.
Thank gosh you did say it, because that is correct. Amazing work. Let's get a slice on the board.
Go on.
Get it loaded up.
No!
Do you know what? I got that on geography.
And you almost didn't say it. Well, look, the scores are very tight right now.
Right,
Question
okay.
number 3. Which ingredient do the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles hate on their pizza?
Should we just guess?
Yeah, just guess.
Well, we're guessing over here, Pepperoni.
Anchovy.
It's right! Come on! I'm giving that back to you. Get your slice on the board.
As if!
You guys need to back yourself. These answers you're not sure on, they're always the winner.
It comes up.
Next question.
Well done.
In what Italian city is pizza said to have originated?
Is Naples in Italy?
It certainly is, and that is correct. Get another slice on the board. That's over to you. Keep the slices coming.
Oh my
So all you need to do now,
it's not
Pepperoni, is answer one more question, and you
One more
have won the
question.
entire thing.
Sorry.
And that question is, in 2020. And that is time, which does mean, let's take a look at the scoreboard. Team Pepperoni, you are absolutely dominating the pizza, which means you are this series winner. Wow, wow, wow. Which does mean that you, my friends, win the coveted secret prize, which we can now reveal is the really golden pizza cutter. Is this everything you have dreamed of?
That's going in my kitchen.
Yeah.
Let's
look
display
beautiful
that.
myself.
Are you using it or just displaying?
Display.
Display.
It's
Okay.
too special to be used.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, look, take that.
Thank you.
Share it. You can do whatever you like with it. Maybe take it out. How heavy is that? Pure gold, by the way.
Oh, pure gold. I'm here for it.
And unfortunately, today's performance didn't quite cut it from you, Team Margarita, but here on the Really Good Game Show, you don't walk away empty-handed. Absolutely not. It wasn't a total flop because you have got, my friend, the crust of shame. Look at that. Can even wear it as a necklace if you fancy.
I'm good.
Some may say it's the best bit.
I think it's a halo, really.
It's exactly whatever you want it to be.
We're
The main
okay.
thing is now we've had a great time.
We've had a great time.
got into town.
And failure is really going to just help Milo's art career, I
Yes.
think. It will give him some sort of emotion.
Positivity is off the scale. Thank you so much, Team Margarita. Congratulations, Team Pepperoni. Well, that is it. Our Really Good Game Show series has come to an end. But a huge thank you to all of our contestants for bringing the fun, the laughter, and the oodles of good memories. And remember, as my nonna always used to say, life's too short for bad pizza. Just stay fresh, stay saucy, and most of all, stay cheesy, my friends. It's a good from them.
Good.
It's a good from them. Good. And it's a good from me. Good. Bye-bye. High five to the